What's up guys? Tyler B at ZZP here. Back again today with another KAPPA chassis. Jesse brought his Pontiac Solstice GXP back to us. It's been here a couple times. He's got this beautiful paint job. Very low mile car, I believe somewhere under 10,000 miles. So it's great that he trusts us with installing the parts, getting this dialed for him. He saw that we released our new ZFR and Z series for the KAPPA chassis. So he brought the car back. He wanted some more power. So to go along with that, he did a new race clutch, a diff brace, which is vital for those of you with a KAPPA making more power, along with cams, springs, retainers, and a ZFR 6758. Matt got this thing on the dyno after Ryan got it all buttoned up. The engine bay's looking as good as the exterior. Ended up putting down 370 wheel on only 23 PSI. So pretty conservative setup, but more than enough to have a ton of fun. I think the only struggle he's gonna have is keeping that rear end back there and not looping around, as these KAPPA chassis cars do sometimes. But this thing's gonna be a ton of fun for Jesse. He also got our short throw shifter and our new ZZP branded brakes up front to match his paint job, go along with everything, and really tie this build together. And Jesse's car is another example of what we really love to do. We love to be able to offer the full catalog of parts, whether it's brakes, engine internals, turbos, exhaust, short throw shifters, even on to dress-up parts. So that's what we want to continue to bring to you guys, and we love to see it all come together as a complete package, and especially on a super unique car. Make sure you check it out if you haven't. Our KAPPA chassis ZFRs and Z series turbos that are now available, along with our other slew of parts for the KAPPA. We've been really trying to build up that catalog for you guys the past few years, and we hope that you're enjoying it. We know Jesse is, and we're loving these things too. So we'll catch you next time. Go fast, not broke. Peace.